Namaste and good afternoon. Someone asked me to do a reading on Guru Gobind Singhji. So that is the image I have up on my screen. And let's go ahead and get started with this reading. Okay, there's a heavy pull to him, like a magnet, really. A heavy pull to his heart. It's very strong. Okay, so he's a warrior man. Yet he was still within God consciousness, saying yes. Okay, so he worked hard for the people. He dedicated his life to making things, making the structures of the case system or whatever that was in place in the area in which he lived. He worked at attempting to make this more balanced, more fair, or to wipe out whatever prior systems were in place that just brought about inequality, dominance of certain groups. And so this was his work, much of his work. Okay, so I do see him on his horse, and he has the hawk and things that that were near him, certain energies that gave him, energies really of spirit that gave him direction and guidance. Okay, so these were strong symbols to him. Okay, so life of a man, again, one that was dedicated in that way to the people, really. He put his whole life into that. And with this, much destruction came around him in his life that was disastrous, truly, with loved ones lost, with structures lost. And with this Sikh man did not hold in his heart hate about it. Okay, so let's see. No, he never did that. He never brought his mind down in that way into the dungeons, the darker places of mind in which he could get lost into, cultivating hate. So his work really with this warrior type of work was really on the level of making things better for people within Hindu, within the Hindu. Okay, so there's a no and yes. So what that means really truly is it's expanded beyond that. Beyond the walls of any particular, religious group for him. It wasn't just about that. It was about tearing down walls and okay, so with this warrior way that he had, he saw this more like a way that came from, I'm hearing Bhagavad Gita, like the scripture in which, one's work was dedicated in a selfless way for people. And this is really what he spoke of. Okay, he spoke with words that rang of, again, equality, of not claiming any religion to be better than anything else, not aligning with whatever energies in your mind and your heart that speak of division. Okay, and this never came from his lips, like, hate words, hate-filled words, or words that put down other people. It just, okay, so his lips didn't speak that way, even in the hard times, even in the worst times. Okay, so Sikh people have feelings strong for this this soul, this warrior soul, where they feel he is something that speaks to them about rising above atrocities. Okay, rising above things that that make the world again, more enslaved. Okay, so rising above that and not allowing that to be part of the culture. Okay, so this is his way. And okay, so let's see anything else about him. Okay, so yes. Okay, definitely a man of great power. He wielded great power. He brought a lot of forces together. He, okay, so now it's going down. Okay, so his mind is now with God, with dream state is absent. Dream state is absent in him. He wishes that all know he's around with his energy. He wishes that those that do revere him or attempt to connect and be devoted to him do what is good for others. Do the right thing with the Sikh. Okay, don't do wrong with it. Okay. This will make Sikh not so pure or to be what it truly is at heart. Okay, so live that way. My ones that come to me for succor, or come to me for your bread, for your soul. Okay, make Sikh good, make it as it should be, in its form that is the natural way in which all are created equal under God, and not made like anything that is ego-based. Okay, so this is what the connection with him is saying. Okay, so the heart is warrior man. On outside, life is single. Okay, So though it may seem like one against the other, life is single, or without these ways of me and you. This is what is coming from him. So if you feel that you are on one side, this is not right. Okay, this is not right. It's the feeling you are not on one side. You are within the one, which is all, which is, in which all are the same under the within, or under the eyes of God. Okay, or okay, they're made the same, equal. Don't feel you're on one side and you need to fight another. This isn't the way. Okay, so outwardly do what's right to take care of people without, and the feeling is burning or hurting another group to just make your statement, or to just show that you're right, and in which the outcome would not bring satisfaction or harmony to the greatest population. This is very important, is his feeling now. And Guru Gobind Singhji, that's his feeling now. Okay. Okay, so do you know me really? He's asking the seekers, do you know me really as I am? Do you? Do you know me as I am, or do you know me as your philosophy, or what you want to make into something that gives you separation? Okay, do you know me as I am, which is life, life as it is in freedom. Okay, this is how I am. Do you know me, seeker? Really, do you? Do you? Say my name right. Say it with the way it should be said, as a feeling of divinity, as a feeling of breath, as a feeling of breath, as life is not making sense sometimes now to him. It's feeling like there's a lot of work towards creating more walls, he's feeling, and this is not like Sequay. Okay, so please listen to me. I am Shanti, lifting my soul to the heavens, and speak of beauty. Speak of beauty. My words come that way, like that. Okay, like that. My words come that way, like that. So Shanti mind. This is it now. This Shanti mind is what makes life right. Okay, the Shanti mind. And please, my way is one of peace. Okay, my way is one of peace, not war. My way is one of peace, not war. Okay. Holy, holy man, yet not saying I'm better. Holy man, not say I'm better, but I am little really, in so many ways, with this with this time that I spent here. Not something that is with grandeur, he feels. Not with grandeur I was here. Like, really just time was not so out there to say that I am so better than something else. Okay, I am just part of flow of life. I came in body, and my body, or this came and played out, and yet now it's gone. And so, will you make it right now? Seek, because without me there, I need to still be alive in the way of making things right for you and for all. Okay, this is what I say here. Okay, what I say. Anything else? Okay. Hold me near now. Hold me near, please, dear souls, for let me come into you in my natural state. Let me be there, not as you think I am, but as I am in my natural state. Okay, this is what I am speaking of, as I have not, I haven't any way to say words that are right, because that speaking voice of mine is not the true thing, but the way to be like me is to be as truth and as beauty and as love and light. These things don't have any energy. If they are just words, then they're lifeless. Okay, but this action, or the energy of it, has to be there within you, not just as words. Now, come on now. Do you hear me? Have faith in the Lord. Have faith in my time here, and don't what I'm hearing is make it small, as you see it, more like something small would be like make it out to be something that you create more division with. Okay, again, that's the feeling with Guru here, Guru Gobind Singhji. Quite a presence, quite a presence. Okay, anything else? No? Okay. So he was, he definitely has a feeling of mystic, and also a voice of, where he was poetic and things. Okay, but so the connection is not feeling as strong now, so we're going to go ahead and close this, and I hope this was a good reading for all. Thank you for tuning in now. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.